So sorry guys because the video stopped. So I guess it's part 2. So we're gonna start drawing. Hey, your paper, manang biday. Here. Okay, you draw. Jonah, I thought you're good at drawing. Okay, it's my turn. Hey, why are you drawing a nose? Anyways, now we're gonna draw our body parts. So get this, get drawing, keep drawing. Manang biday, drawing, draw. I already have markers, and you also have one. So many markers. Sunset, draw. I'm angry now. Draw here. Draw now. No, that's yours. Isang flower. Yan. You draw na. Like this. Tita's not angry. Wait it. Ayaw pumunta ang aso namin. No, Sen, he's gonna bite you. Yeah, but you're adopted. Oh, you draw na. Study draw man. So, don't remind that. Miss Arte. Here, you draw na. Why? Are you scared of the dog? No, that's yours na. I think that's not angry naman. But that's my marker, okay? Do you want me? Sansan, what do you want? Sansan, what did you draw on your school? What do you keep drawing?
Can I borrow one? One of these. I will return, okay? I will
Walang
return.
ink.
Wala na?
Konti lang.
There go.
Sansan, let's draw.